ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you aboard JetBlue Flight 1075 with service out to Orlando. My name is Andy and it is my pleasure to be flying with Lily up front, cabby, mid-cabin, and Danny, who is operating his first initial flight as a new JetBlue crew member in the rear of the aircraft. Round of applause for Danny. We also have Ashley in the back of the cabin. Our Captain James will be assisted by First Officer Todd, and today's estimated flying time will be 2 hours and 41 minutes. Now your safety is our top priority, so we'd appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in your seatback pocket. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. Now to fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Now your life vest is in the pouch under your seat if instructed by the crew. Retrieve the vest by pulling the tab, tear open the pouch, remove the vest and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by putting down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water, but never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a raft. An additional raft is located in the forward storage unit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find the exits. In the event of an emergency, leave all of your personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take a moment out to locate your closest exit and remember that it might be behind you. Now, if there is a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the overhead. Firmly pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. First, remove your face covering, then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tie it using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others, and we'll let you know when it's no longer needed. We'll be passing through the cabin to make sure we are ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seatbacks upright, tray tables are stowed, and all carried items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please do not hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaporizers, are never allowed on any JetBlue flights. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors in the aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front of the cabin and 2 in the back. Fit changing tables can be found in the forward restroom and in one of the restrooms in the back. Also, to avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait at your assigned seat until the restroom is available. And making calls of any type while in flight is strictly prohibited from this point forward. This includes the use of voice over IP video conferencing services and Wi-Fi calling. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. Should you need it, there is a reading light above your seat. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. Thanks for your attention, and we hope you enjoy your JetBlue experience.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we're number 2 for takeoff. We'll be airborne shortly. If flight crew members, please be seated.